Hi, this is the poster version of Social Bias Frames, reasoning about social and power implications of language. So social bias frames is a new structured formalism that distills knowledge about the harmful and biased implications of language. And our aim is to go beyond what existing toxicity detection tools can do and capture even subtle biases like the ones in "we shouldn't lower our standards just to hire more women." And specifically, what a social bias frame captures is whether or not it is offensive, here yes, whether is it intended to be offensive, here maybe, whether this post is lewd or sexual, here no, if it is offensive, whether it targets a group or just a personalized insult, here it targets a group and that group is women, and this implication about women is that they are less qualified than men. And finally, our frame ends with a variable aiming to capture whether this is in-group language or women talking about other women here, and in this case, no. So the motivation for our work is that AI systems should be able to proactively reason about social biases, and if they fail to do so, they can really backfire. Additionally, hate speech detection is not enough to reason about social biases in text, specifically because there's a lot of identity-based variation in the annotations that goes into training these detection systems. And additionally, there's a lot of biases against minorities that actually these systems exhibit. Also, social bias frame style explanations can be really crucial to not only help understand the harmful implications of posts, but also help users who are shown these explanations actually trust the predictions of models more. So we also introduced the social bias inference corpus, which captures 150,000 social bias frame tuples. I will refer you to the paper for more details on the quality and coverage of this corpus. Instead, I'll focus on our modeling experiments, where we did a case study to predict a social bias frame from a previously unseen post with a model. And we chose GPT-2 as a model for both classifying and generating the implications. And we straightforwardly train this by linearizing the frame into a sequence and then optimizing the cross entropy of all tokens in the frame using special tokens for the classification variables. And instead of showing you the automatic evaluation metrics, which are in the paper, I'll show you an example here of a Black guy who attempts to throw a paper ball into the trash and misses, and his teacher says that he's a disgrace to his race. Here, a model trained on the social bias inference corpus predicts that this is offensive to Black folks because it implies that Black people are trash, which is not at all what this post implies. Instead, this post implies that Black folks are good at basketball and that Black men are defined by their athletic skill. And so as we've shown here, models tend to rely on negative keywords. And as we also show in the paper, the structure of the frame actually makes it more challenging for models to predict these frames. Thank you so much for listening.